Don't tamper with fire alarms at my house. I don't go to a fire alarm enthusiast's house and tamper with their fire alarms. So therefore, don't come to my house and tamper with my fire alarms. Especially don't tamper with fire alarms in a public building. Only do it with your alarm, but if it's not your alarm, you don't tamper with it. If you tamper with my alarm, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined, and you are going to get arrested. So do not ever tamper with my alarm right here. Bye.